folks. It's a cold November morning and I've got a big day out planned in the hills today. So come with me and see how I get on. Today, Beinn aglow, 3 Munros, 3 SOTA summits, with the option to bail after 1 or 2 if the weather's not great. It's forecast to be 0 degrees on the summits, there's fresh snow and 20 to 30 miles per hour northerly winds, and that's the first summit up there. Right, let's try some snowy mountain radio. That's better. Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo November. Good morning, Chris. Tried 20 metres, but there was no one there. You're 5 in 9, 5 in 9, over. QSB. You're 5 by 5, 55, roger? Yeah, roger for 55. Thank you very much, Chris. First in the log. Might see you on the next one, mate. Oscar Echo 6, Echo November Delta. Thank you for 5 by 7 and thank you for the contact this morning. 7-3, have a great day. 7-3, bye bye, QRZ. Okay, nothing heard. QRT, I'm getting out of here. Oh, the wind is a killer. I don't know if I'm going to manage 3 today. Oh, that's Carn Liath behind me. That was tough. 20 wasn't open, I barely made it on 40. Got 4 contacts with the mast coming down twice in the wind. So number 2 and number 3 ahead. CQ, summits on the air, Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable, Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable from Golf Mike Charlie Sierra 009, QRZ.
Private Juliet Kilo. Yes, sir. Good morning again. Florida 5, Japan Kilo, you 5 by 4, 54 Fraser, roger.
Good morning, Eric. Foxtrot 5, Juliet Kilo, thank you for 5-4. You're 5-9, 59 in the clear, over.
Yep, roger, 73 bye-bye.
Yeah, thanks, Eric. Bye-bye, 7-3. Yeah, Delta Lima 3, Hotel X-ray, thank you for 4x4. You're 5-5, 55 in the clear, thank you. Yeah, thanks, bye-bye. QRZ, any other calls? Okay, thank you guys. Nothing heard. QRT. 2 summits in the bag. 2 summits in the bag. This is tough though. Tough times. That's our next summit, the highest one. Right, that's me on my last top. This is the 10-pointer, but the weather's getting really rough. The wind is horrendous. We've got a great shelter just off the trig point. I'm going to try it on 2 meters first with this diamond whip. See how we get on. If that doesn't work, I'm going to have to try and put a wire up. Well, I've done it. The battery died on my GoPro, so I've managed to get 5 contacts. Or maybe 6, I can't remember. I've not logged anything because it's so cold, and I've recorded everything on the SD card on my little handheld with its extremely long whip. So it's got me contacts 50-60 miles away. Gosh, there's the sun coming out now. Look at that. So 10-point summit. Sorry I couldn't do it on HF, but I'm going to get a bite to eat, and I'm well ahead of schedule, to be honest with you. So if the wind does happen to die down, I might put the mast up, but I'm not promising anything. Okay, I've just rigged the dodgiest dipole ever. The mast just wedged into some iced up rocks, and I think I've only got it about 4 or 5 metres high. I'm hoping that the terrible ground here with all these rocks will kind of lower the natural ground. And all the bands are closed. I think there's kind of some kind of magnetic storm coming from the sun. I'm going to try 40 metres. We'll see how we get on with that. 7-3, have a great day. QRZ, Mike 0, Echo Foxtrot, India Portable. It's a tough life, this. But I've got 4 in the log on HF, and I've got 5 in the log on 2 metres, so I think I've done my bit. I'll give it one more try. CQ SOTA, CQ Summits on the air. This is Mike 0, Echo Foxtrot, India Portable, calling CQ SOTA from Golf Mike, Charlie Sierra 003, QRZ. This is Mike 0, Echo Foxtrot, India Portable. Any calls? Okay, thanks everyone. QRT, bye bye. The clouds starting to clear. Talk about bad timing. Oh, it should be a nice walk back. So while we can still see them, Beinn 3 summits. So number 1, just pointing out there behind the hill. There's number 2, and that's number 3 up there. So it was a 6-point, an 8-point, and a 10-point summit today. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I have climbing and activating these hills. It's been amazing. Oh. That's got to be fresh, right?